Hello. Welcome to Kanzi Media official YouTube channel. As you about to watch these video, don't forget to click the subscribe button to get notified in our next video.
In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming various industries, from healthcare to business, education to sustainability. We'll also take a closer look at ChatGPT, an AI language model that is helping people all over the world with tasks such as natural language processing, language translation, and content generation. With the help of ChatGPT, we'll dive into the world of AI and discover the possibilities that it holds. So join us as we explore the power of AI and its potential to shape the future. I'm going to show you benefits one can get using ChatGPT, which are how AI is being used in healthcare to improve patient outcomes, how AI is helping businesses make better decisions and improve efficiency, the potential impact of AI on education and learning. And the mind blown is you can make daily income using this ChatGPT too. Yes, you can make daily income using ChatGPT. But before we continue, I want to take a moment to remind you to engage with our video by liking, sharing, and commenting below. Your engagement helps us create more high-quality content like this one and helps spread the word about the amazing potential of ChatGPT, or AI. To help you better understand how to use this software, I'll be doing a screen recording demonstration on how to start up ChatGPT on your web browser, making use of them. So keep watching as we explore how you make money using of it. ChatGPT can be used to generate written content for websites, social media accounts, or other platforms. You can offer your content generation services to businesses or individuals who need high-quality, engaging content. Again, you can advertise your services on freelance platforms or create your own website or blog to promote your services. You can use ChatGPT to develop chatbots or virtual assistants for businesses or individuals. This can involve programming and design skills, but if you have the right expertise, you can offer services such as chatbots or customer support bots to businesses or individuals. This can be done through platforms like Upwork or Freelancer, where you can advertise your services and bid on projects. As we've been discussing, I just showed you how ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool for language processing and content generation. We've seen how it can improve efficiency and decision-making in business, as well as its potential to transform healthcare and education. We've also touched on the importance of sustainability and ethics in the development and use of AI. Looking ahead, the future of AI is exciting, particularly when it comes to natural language processing. I hope you found this video informative and useful. In my next video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make money using ChatGPT. It's going to be an in-depth guide that you won't want to miss. So hit the notification bell to be the first to know when it's out. Once again,
Thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button now if you haven't do so, then like and share these video, if you really enjoyed it.